layout, manage fields and sections and buttons in a Lightning app builder. We can reduce the number of page layouts we need with component visibility rules. And we can configure the dynamic related list. As of summer 22, there is something called dynamic related list single, which gives us ability to show two components of the same object filtered by a certain field. So let me show you how. With the single prompts, I may want to add, I'm just also educating you about in-app builder, that you are able to add links, text, videos, which is usually you can embed the video from the URL, YouTube URL, and the end users can see the entire walkthrough through the video as well. And we can lodge it from here, or we can have full screen like this. So just to show you how, we are on the shipments record and we see a certain view of buttons and page going at the back end. We see certain fields and sections have component visibility through this eye icon. For instance, this section is visible to a certain profile account specialist, but hidden to the same profile account specialist. So this way we can make certain fields and sections conditionally visible. Similarly, we have on the highlights panel some buttons which are conditionally visible. We can set any criteria. On the related section, we see shipment records, which is segmented with the status pending or complete. So we have the two components of the same object in the related list. Going back to the record, we see that the status is pending. We see the delete and printable view button, but when we make it complete, we see the delete button has vanished. And if we log in as another user, like a sales user, we see page sections and fields relevant to that user. So as you see, this section is for sales and the buttons are different. So this way, instead of having multiple pages for different departments, we can have through one page layout serving to different departments specific to them. On this page shipment record, when we see that if we move the status back to pending, we will see that the delete button reappears because that's the condition we had set it on. And going to the related tab, we see shipment related list. It has two components, one filtered by the condition pending, the other with complete. So this is how, through dynamic related lists, we can make pages specific to departments, and we don't need to have so many different page layouts built for different departments.